Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Chevrolet Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, stability control, traction control, remote engine start, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, floor mats, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, climate control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.